Hello friends! In this video I intend to teach you how to deposit TRC20 in the STARTRADER Broker. In the Funds section, you click on Deposit Funds. And in the Deposit Funds section, you click on Cryptocurrency Deposit. And in this section, you select USDT TRC20 and keep in mind that this broker does not charge any commission for depositing and withdrawing. In this section, you select your account. You enter the desired amount, with the minimum deposit being $50. In this section, if you want to enter important notes, you type them by clicking and then click on Continue. And in this section, you scan the specified barcode with your wallet. And if you wish, you can manually copy this address into your wallet. And friends, please note that the Tron network TRC20 charges a $5 network fee after this operation. And finally, after entering the information, you click on this option and this amount will be credited to your STARTRADER account after confirmation. And friends, to check the history of your transactions, you click on Funds and then click on Transaction History. And as you can see, this operation is under review. After less than 5 minutes, this amount was credited to our account. Good luck.